What's going on, everyone? My name is Sherwin and we are here in Irwindale Speedway at the Ultra EV and drifting and drag racing event. There's like 3 events going on right now, and we are part with the Tesla SoCal group. We got a tent over there, and we're gonna check things out. So this event had 3 things going on at the same time: car show and meet, drag racing, and there was even some drifting.
His previous one was nowhere near like this. When he was 627, 114 miles an hour. 118 miles an hour to an 861.
For an extra charge, you could actually do a ride-along inside a drifting car, so it looks pretty cool, but the line was really long. There were some parts of the drifting footage that had background music that I had to mute out. I do have some footage where it didn't have music in the background, so I hope you enjoyed. It's pretty cool. So the sun was setting, and this was my favorite part of the event. All the lights turned on, and it just reminded me of how to import nights. So I don't know if any of you have been to any of those events back in the 90s, early 2000s. I think they have some going on still right now, but it just reminded me of all those shows and events that I went to. But this time it's not imports, it's American cars. These EVs, these Teslas are American made, so pretty cool, and I had a lot of fun. So I hope you like that type of video where I just go to these events and do a little voiceover here and there and just share the experience and things. I didn't do a video last week, I apologize, but I'm kind of like misplaced at the moment. I feel a little incomplete because the car, my Model Y Performance, is back at the wrap shop. There's some details I wanted to get done, additional things, so I'm kind of nitpicking and really picky with this because this is my first wrap car. It's our third wrap car, but the other two were Abby's, but this one is my car being wrapped. So yeah, I'm a little nitpicky, and there were some design things I wanted to add some details, and I did get the car ceramic coated. So we're waiting a few days on that as well before I could add some other things. But just be patient because I'm trying the best I can to be patient myself. Oh, it's hard. I'm just like all over the place at the moment, just weird, and just didn't do a video last week. I wasn't really into it. So shout out to Scott. A couple weeks ago, he took delivery of a Model Y Performance, brand new. We've been going back and forth, and I was supposed to go with him on his delivery day, and unfortunately, our timing just didn't line up. As you know, I took a trip to the East Coast with the family, about 8 days, and just a lot of other things going on at the same time. But congratulations to you, Scott, for taking delivery of a brand new Model Y. Hopefully my videos help to prepare for your delivery day, but we have been messaging each other, and so he seems to be pretty happy so far, so congratulations. And also to Jane, shout out to you and your family on your first Tesla takeover event, and it was the big one. She went to the San Luis Obispo takeover last weekend, and she messaged me and was like, hey, there's some stuff here that you may want that's only available during the takeover. And so she got me some things, and we're gonna meet up, and I'm gonna go check out the stuff that she got for me. So thank you very much. And then get you on a video probably. She has a Model X and a Model Y, just like us, exactly like us. Model X long range and a Model Y performance, just like us. So congratulations to your first takeover. Shout out to your family, and can't wait to see all the stuff that you bought. The next thing is Powerwall appointment is coming up. It's not the installation appointment, but it is the on-site survey, I guess. And so I was in the reservation originally a couple months ago when they first re-announced that you can buy Powerwalls without solar panels. Something weird happened, and I don't know. I'll do more information on another video just on the Powerwall during the appointment and stuff, but it's coming up. I know I was supposed to do a solar panel video. I still have it on my list of to-do things, but it's just I don't understand the billing and stuff. Like for instance, this month my bill was like $36, but my usage was negative 100 something kilowatt hours. So it's like, what? Huh? So I think it's because a lot of the usage occurred during the high peak times, 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. And also there's like connection fees and stuff. So I'm gonna try to figure that out before I do the video, and maybe reach out to Tesla Energy people about when I do the Powerwall and ask them about that bill, and maybe they could better explain it to me, because just being on hold with Southern California Edison is just a waste of time. And I just don't get it. And so if I am gonna do that video, I want to at least sound like I'm competent or at least have a better understanding, so I don't give you any misinformation, or at least try to look like I know what I'm talking about. So as mentioned before, we were on an East Coast trip. I'd like to do a video and share that with you. Hopefully you like those trip videos. There is some Tesla related video in there, because I plan to talk about what happened to our two Teslas just parked in the garage for a week. There's plenty of questions on Facebook groups and stuff with Tesla, and they're like, oh, I'm going for a week and what do I do? And it's like, look, plug it in, or you know, this is the usage that you're gonna lose, you know, stuff like that. So I'm just gonna share with you what happened to our cars, how much energy it lost for about 8 or 9 days just sitting in our garage. And then finally, 1 year coming up on my Model Y performance. This month in August, I got my registration bill. I'm gonna share that with you, and a couple of other data and just wear and tear on the car, and probably breakdown on cost and everything. So a lot of stuff. Still waiting on my Model Y to come back to me. I'm excited. If you haven't been checking out my short form videos on Instagram, it's there. You could see the wrap color, like ta-da. But again, it's back at the shop because there's some things I want them to continue to work on, and some additional design ideas that I had. So very excited for that. And hopefully you like this video. If you like the video, please like. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. Trying to get that 600. Thank you for watching, and thank you for your support, and I'll see you on the next one.